Good morning, Angia. A little bit late this morning. Woke up at 2:30 with a nasty headache and went back to bed. So I'm moving a little bit slowly today. We do have news here in about 15 minutes. Pull up the financial juice. I know we got retail sales, jobless claims. Yeah, jobless claims is at 8:30. Retail sales was, it says 12:30. What? I think that might be a typo. So yeah, U.S. retail sales month over month, U.S. initial jobs claims, and then core retail sales, import prices, continued jobless claims, export prices, business inventories month over month. That one's an orange file. So really the only thing that we need to not trade through is the U.S. jobless claims. United States Department of Labor. I'm on their website right now. They're not giving me anything of value. Go figure, a government website not being worth a damn. I have my command pad set up and I'm good to go. Last night we did create another all-time high. We're hitting new all-time highs during the day. We did it again in the overnight. Looking at the 1 hour chart, this looks like a skyscraper. I mean, it's starting to get a little bit ridiculous here. So we got the London high, which was the all-time high. It's 7,496.75 on ES. Asia high 74.89.50. Previous day high 74.83.75. The London low was down at 74.75, so only almost 22 points below us. And the Asia low is 74.71. Ugh, excuse me. Angia, did you take any trades in the overnight yet? Overnight London session. Yes, I took 2 mini short from 620, got one out already and holding the last one. Very nice. I'm 620. So you're trading silver again today, is that correct? NQ, sorry. I can't keep track of what everyone trades. Definitely been having a great time with ES over the past couple of days. Five-minute, we're sitting just above the working point of control. $28,620. My last one take profit is at 600. Well, let me pop over to NQ. And I'm assuming you're trading the June contracts. Oh, nice. Angie, have you been green like every day for the past month and a half? That's what it seems like. Well, that's impressive as hell. I don't know too many people that that have as many green days as you. You should let me do an interview with you one day. Sometimes you don't trade at all. Yeah, that's smart. Good morning, Mr. Tim. So with NQ, what do we got? Sitting below VWAP. VWAP is at 29,588.20. dip below the first deviation band, created London low about 5 a.m. It looks like it's just been playing around with VWAP and the first and second deviation band throughout the overnight. Not as strong a move up as on ES. On the 5-minute, it's going back down. Previous day high was 29,565.50. The Asia high created another all-time high in the Asia session at 29,693. We do have previous day's value area high at 29,395.50. We are showing a little bit of heat right in underneath us where the price is sitting now, mostly at that working point of control. Angie, I'm liking your short. Good morning, Blackout News Network. Pretty flat. Yeah, NQ has been not doing a whole lot. But well, since you requested it, I'm gonna do it in the pre-market one day. Actually, what I think I should do is anybody who's a regular in here, so like Blackout News, Tim, Angia, Vigo, I'm just gonna start pulling you guys on the live stream and asking you stupid questions about your trading. Well, not stupid questions, I hope. But thank you, Angie. And news is coming up right now. So if anybody's in a trade on Take Profit Trader, get the hell out of it. But yeah, I'm going to start interviewing you guys, see what it is that you're doing, how you're trading. Maybe asking what it is that you guys really want to learn. And giving you on maybe a little bit of advice on where to get that information. Because God knows I've gone through more bullshit than I care to let anyone else go through. So many freaking scam artists out there trying to teach bullshit technical indicator use and strategies that are founded in happy thoughts and fairy dust. Angie, done. Jesus. That's awesome. I don't even know what to say about that, Angie. You've been green every day for at least the past 30, 40 days, so. Blackout, excuse me, Blackout News is down for it. Angia, you keep saying the same thing I'm sorry, but you can't tell me every single day, oh, I got lucky, oh, I got lucky, oh, I got lucky. Because you do realize that everybody in here knows that you're full of shit. You're not lucky. You can't do the same thing every single day and be green for over a month and continue saying, oh, I'm lucky. Oh, I just got lucky. Oh, no, no. That's modesty. And I'm assuming it's false modesty because you obviously know what the hell you're doing. Otherwise, you would have had a couple red days already. And you only trade 3 days a week. Okay, again, that's not, you're proving my point. If you're only trading 3 days a week, there's a reason why you're only trading 3 days a week. Because the other 2 days, you have probably gone through and realized that, oh, on Fridays, I'm not really profitable. Or on Mondays, I don't like the price action from New York open through noon. I'm using those examples because I know you don't really trade on Fridays, except for when you decide to break your rules, and Mondays are your light day. So cut the shit, Angia. We know you're a good trader. Stop telling us you're lucky. Everybody knows you're not lucky. Angia, I blew more than 100 plus accounts before I'm profitable. I think not. Only 100 plus accounts. Yeah, and? Okay. I know many people that have blown a lot more than 100 accounts. I've blown more than 100 accounts. Actually, I've blown a lot more than 100 accounts. Doesn't matter how many prop firm accounts you blow. At the end of the day, what matters is what's your ROI. When you see at the end of your quarter, when you're doing your taxes, that you spent X amount of money, you took in Y. If Z is a positive number, you did well. And if you go and deal with any type of investment firm, find me an investment firm that'll get you, 20% return per year. It's not going to happen. If that was the case, I'd be dumping money into investment firms and just living a real happy freaking life. Not worrying about it, not waking up in the morning going, oh, I wonder what NQ and ES are going to do today. Albert Einstein said that compound interest is the greatest force in nature. It's also the greatest force in your bank account. So, I'm going to trust Albert. He's better at math than me. If I want to know anything about mathematical equations, I would ask Albert Einstein. I don't know how to start an empire in under 60 years. Talk to Chinggis Khan. Hey, candle dealer. Good morning. Okay. Blackout news. Retail sales unchanged. It's funny, every time I see blackout news, buddy of mine, I've known him for 100 years now in Detroit. His Instagram is Blackout Arts. He's a tattoo artist at Eternal over in the border of Detroit and Livonia. So every time I see blackout, I'm like, Trent, is that you? It's not, but. Angia, what I think is if I have only one thing to do on my daily life, it's my responsibility to master it or make it work. I got to make it better day by day, year over year. Well, yeah, that's your job as a human, to be a little bit better than you were the previous day. At least that should be our jobs as humans. Be a little bit better than we were yesterday. Try and leave the places you go to better than when you got there. I'm not liking NQ. Moving my other chart back over to ES. ES is getting a little bit of a pullback right now. Just hit that London high about 15 minutes ago. So it's coming back towards that first deviation band. Got the point of control under us at 74.88 even. Got the midnight VWAP at 74.87. So there's only a couple of points difference between the midnight and Asia session VWAPs. Not going to say that's going to make a difference. That 2 points really doesn't matter. This 15-minute chart, though, looks like a launch ramp. A little bit of a speed bump here, but damn. Candle dealer, yes, I just got on a couple of minutes ago. I woke up at like 2:30 in the morning with a splitting headache, so I went back to bed. And then woke up later than normal and came on here to see what the hell is going on in the markets. Your channel is about aliens and weird stuff. So put up the URL to your channel, and I'm gonna have to check that shit out. I like aliens. I like weird stuff. Candle dealer made $100 shorting that pullback. Nice. Dumbest mistake I had before was I tried to make $5 more on that night. Then I passed my account, activated on the next day, and then boom, I blew up the account. Yeah, everybody's done that. Johan, what's going on? So candle dealers made $100. Angie is done for the day because she hit her profit goal. Y'all are making me feel kind of useless here. And you're not really. I'm actually ecstatic that you guys are A, profitable, and B, here keeping me company, because like I said, I feel like an idiot sitting here talking to myself. Actually, I feel like an idiot anyway, so it doesn't really matter. It's always good. Well, almost always. Candle dealers looking to enter another short around 74.96. Angie has already started her weekend. 74.96 is where you're looking to short. Did I read that right? 74.96. Yep, 74.96. I'm personally not seeing it, but I don't have any gray candles, so I am gonna do. Yeah, that Angia says before I didn't know much about the market. I only trade minis. It was like 3 years ago. Now I don't care anymore. I take my time. If it's red, it's red. Market's always there. That just comes with time. If I have red days, I try and cut them as short as humanly possible, and then come back the next day. Because if you sit there and continue to trade, you're gonna lose a lot more than $100, $200. John passed another eval. Good morning, Skeletor. Candle dealer's going down without you. Stick to your plan. If it doesn't work out, doesn't work out. There's going to be more trades throughout the day. It is 8:47 a.m. We got plenty of time to make some money today. Tim just went short on MES at 74.91.75. Looking for 74.85. 74.91.75. 2 contracts. Looking for 74.85. Got it. Size down will be the vibe today. Yeah, don't be a wimp. Just full court it. That is a joke. Do I trade a live account? Yes, I trade 6 live accounts. Oh wait, no, live. I'm sorry. I trade 6 cash accounts, so I put money into them to trade. I got called to a live account twice now. Yeah, twice. And I don't like it. I do not like trading live accounts with prop firms. They are, well, I have a couple of reasons. You're still considered a subcontractor, so you're getting 1099 on any profits that you withdraw from those. Your withdrawals are not taxed at a tax advantage rate like they are through the futures market. There's something called the 60-40 tax rule with futures. Your taxes get paid, or should get paid, immediately when you take your withdrawals. You set that money up, pay your taxes immediately, and be done with it. You get 1099 from a prop firm at the end of the year. I do my damn taxes quarterly. So at the end of the year, you get that 1099 and you're paying subcontractor taxes on it, which are a hell of a lot higher in the States than they are for a futures trader. So not a fan. Not only that, it's not your money. I mean, it is your money, but they still have rules implemented on how you can trade it, when you can trade it. You can't swing trade on a live account. Why in the hell can I not swing trade on a live account? If this is cash and I'm seeing something like last week when everybody said the market's going to continue going up. Okay, great. Put in a long and come back in a week and you'll be able to retire. But they do not do that. So I do not like the live accounts. I much prefer to take a payout, put it into a cash account, and trade that instead. And then when they go to call you to live, take your maximum amount of payups, blow up the account, start it over again. Some of the prop firms do have a 30-day cooldown period. So be mindful of that. You may have to move to a different prop firm unless you're trading all of them. But there's so many now that if you can manage to get full amounts of contracts on all of the prop firms, you are copy trading like 300 different accounts. Candle dealer says he's keeping it under 10 micros. Yeah, I hope so in the pre-market. Start with 1 or 2, then add in if it goes against me. Wow, you and I do things a lot differently, candle dealer. I don't add into them unless they're going with me. I cannot DCA a prop firm account. I lose every time I've tried it. I mean, it obviously works for you, but for me, I try and DCA one of these accounts and I'm fried. I think it's a good time to add in on a pullback when I'm red. I enter and then it goes against me even further, and then I enter another contract and it just turns into a vicious cycle, and then I end up sitting there going, why is this account gone? I know averaging down is bad, but it works out most time for me. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm saying it's different. And if you know what you're doing and you're profitable, I'm not going to tell you to stop. I'm just saying it doesn't work for me because I don't have that skill. Make no mistake, if you're green, you're making money, and you're comfortable with what you're doing, I will never tell you to stop doing what it is you're doing. Yeah, Angie is like split between the two of us. She'll add into a losing trail. Max contract is 5 micros, but never adds in to a trade with or adds into a losing trade with a mini, only a trade that's going her way. Perfecto. So ES on the 15-minute chart, we have just broken underneath the midnight VWAP, came down, touched the session VWAP, or almost touched it. It's off by not even a point. Bounced off of that and came back up. Over to the 5-minute here. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock. I'm not getting into a trade right now, but judging by the movement that's been going on, I'm not all that convinced that this is not going to go higher. See if we get a high above a new all-time high above 7,500 today. If it keeps bouncing off these VWAP levels, 7,500 is definitely in the sights. Good morning, Czar. Ooh, candle dealer entered as short at 74.88. A little late. TP is 74.80. All right. So you have your take profit below VWAP. You think it's going to hit that that second deviation band down there? Or I'm sorry, the first deviation band, the -1. That right there is the -1 deviation band. So much shit on my screen here. So that's 74.80 for your take profit. It's pretty close to where I would take a long if the timing was right. I wouldn't do it now because, you know, it's 2 minutes to 9 o'clock, but Johan, I just placed a trade, and by the time I realized there were 4 contracts, I just made over 500 in like 3 seconds. Yeah, I'm glad it went with you, not against you. Holy shit. All right, it's starting to get a little bit hot in the kitchen here. So I'm going to do my morning move a little bit earlier into some air conditioning. 7 o'clock a.m. here, and it's already starting to get a little hot. Candle dealer says, sorry, I don't pay attention to deviation or any other indicators. I just go gap to gap. With most possibilities, I enter on 20-second and watch 1 minute and 2 minute charts for direction. Don't be sorry about that. It obviously works for you. Johan, I never placed more than 1 trade on silver. Was that your 1 silver trade for the day? Oh, 1 contract on silver. Is that correct? 20-second chart also make me heart attack. Yep, me too. But if it works, it works. And obviously, candle dealers been printing some money this year, so. All right, so I'm gonna go get into some air conditioning. I'll see you guys in a minute. Sorry that took so long. Housekeeper moved a bunch of stuff up here and yeah, unplugged my other computer and just, yeah. I need to write notes on things. Do not touch. So what is going on now? Looks like the price is still dropping. Dave is in the background doing Dave things. Oh, candle dealer says he uses the 20-second chart because it shows some the gray candles, which is the gaps. Makes sense. Still not going to do it. That would give me a heart stroke. Johan, last night accidentally clicked the sell button, up $300, got lucky again. Yeah, buy a lottery ticket. Candle dealer figured out his own strategy. Yeah, you should always have a stop loss. Unexpected spiky candles. Yeah, those unexpected spiky candles get me every time. Oh shit, Tim, I'm sorry. All right, I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed for you. Send me a message in the Discord. Let me know how it goes. Skeletor, yeah, Dave's warming up and doing his exercises before he goes live. He does like these weird squat thrust things every morning. I see him in the background. He gets a Speedo on and then a Viking helmet. And he holds a spear out in front of him and does these crazy squats. It's entertaining. Selling might be dollar rally driven today. There really hasn't been that much selling. I mean, in the grand scheme of things. We'll see how it is when New York opens. Oh, here's that first deviation band I was talking about. But it's been relatively straight up. Just the last 45 minutes, it's come down below VWAP. But that's happened a few times. Now, I say that it's going to hit all-time lows today. Johan, I'm not touching anything for the rest of the day. My luck's bound to run out at some point.
Good morning, good morning.
Hey, Dave got dressed and stopped doing his squats.
I just heard that some unfortunate news there for Tim. Hopefully everything works out there, Tim.
Yeah, we'll all be thinking of you. So what do you have going on this morning, David?
Nada. Just woke up.
Everybody's waking up late today.
You slept in a bit today?
Oh man, I woke up at like 2:30 in the morning with a nasty headache.
Oh.
Went back to sleep. Didn't get on here until about 8.
Yeah, it happens, you know. One thing's for sure is ES has been looking. I mean, we're selling right now, pulling back, but it's looking better than NQ. NQ's been making, at least ES has been making some new highs. But then if you take, did you look at the Dow at all?
Dow is in a strong uptrend.
Yeah. So bullish. Good morning, Joanne. Good morning.
Yeah, this is
Skeletor, Angia. Jeff
Dow has been. Yeah, the Dow has been on a tear all evening.
Candle dealer. Sorry. Yeah, it was. I took 2 trades yesterday. I ended up being last night sometime. I ended up in my top 1 futures funded account.
Dave, stop whispering or fix your mic.
Oh my god.
Yeah, jeez. Fix your damn mic.
I did order a mic. It's arriving today.
I actually considered ordering like a camera mic setup and everything, considering I'm doing this shit with you every single damn day. And then I realized that my mic and camera and my laptop seem to work better than your mic. So I'm just going to keep doing it this way. I don't want to deal with the problems with ordering a mic and it not working, the cable's screwed up, the attachments. No, let's stick to what's working.
Yeah, this mic is pretty old though. It's like one of those like the old style with like the single pin plug to your mic plug. So the one I got is going to be a USB. So hopefully that'll fix some of these problems. But yeah, it doesn't sound very good.
I think we need to remedy that situation.
Well, it looks like the mic arm has been dropped off, but I don't know. The mic hasn't arrived yet. Oh, wow. All of a sudden, it seems like it sounds better.
Oh, it sounds great now.
Well, not really, actually. But what the heck? Little feedback. It's most likely a pinched wire. Just open up the mic and tear it open and look for the pinched wire. Yeah, it seems like it could be that. I agree. Well, there's a new wire coming with this mic, so. We're sitting on previous day high, value area high right now on the ES. Orders above 7,500.
Don't know what's going on here.
I was trying to put together a video about getting botted live on a stream.
That's, yeah. Fucking ridiculous.
Yeah, Skeletor, we got books at 7,500 on the book map, 7,500, 774.97. Kind of some clustered orders up there. Yeah, so I was up about $60. So I ended up taking 3 trades actually. I was up about 50 something, $60. And then I actually took a long during that big pullback. I didn't know it was going to pull back, obviously. I thought it was pulling back to
yeah, well,
support. I went long and then it just continued falling. So I ended up losing. I think I was down about $40 after I managed to get myself out of that trade. And then now I'm down $8.80. So I took 1 trade after that.
It's an acceptable loss.
Yeah.
Silver is dropping, so says Johan.
Uh-oh. And this new mic should also remove some of the background noise. So maybe my keyboard won't be quite as loud when I'm typing.
Your clicky keyboard. All right, I'm getting fed up with both Bookmap and TradeZella.
TradeZella not refreshing this morning?
I don't know what the shit's going on with it. Oh, and as I say that, Skeletor says, Dave, I got to say thanks for all the quotes you provide me from Bookmap. Great timing, Skeletor. I'm getting irritated with the Bookmap, and you're like McDonald's. You're loving it.
McLovin' it.
I'm going to shut up now. We have 8 minutes until New York Open. So I'm going to go grab some more coffee while I still can.
Nice, yeah. So is today when you're going with Abby?
No, the 19th.
Oh, okay, so gotcha.
I'll still be doing the pre-market over here. I think she's got me scheduled for like 10 o'clock or something, so.
Okay. Oh, Skeletor, you're so kind. Such a kind skeleton. So I don't see any prop for match on today.
Yeah, Zach's in Florida with Austin and Randy and James and all those jokers.
Yeah, it's just usually.
What was that?
Usually, I get some feedback again here. What the hell?
I have feedback in my computer now. Is that what you said?
I think it's mine.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, just when I start talking shit about my mic being better than yours. So yeah, I got a message from Randy yesterday. He sent me a text. Oh, I told you that. So I told him to give me a call. I haven't talked to him in a little while, so I told him to give me a call. And to entice him, I told him I'd send him a dick pic. So I sent him a picture of Dick Van Dyke.
Oh yeah.
Because Dick Van Dyke is my favorite Dick. I was gonna do Richard Nixon, but not my fave.
So I ended up taking 2 more trades actually after we got off the stream, and I ruined my 100% of the trade on the day. I lost $5 in one trade.
Dave.
So it's only 94.23% now.
That's still impressive. Is the 19th also a holiday? Oh wait, that is in June. Juneteenth, yes. Tim is getting to trade the open. All right.
We usually stay flat. Yeah, I know my sounds horrible. Apologies.
Tim's always at work, doing Tim work things. So today, I believe I will be trading 2 cash accounts. And let me see, I think I got 10 set up for today.
Yeah.
So 2 cash accounts and 11 prop accounts.
My God. This should be the end, though, guys. Hopefully after today. Hopefully after today it gets better. Oh, does that sound better now? Sounds clear to me.
Sounds clear to me.
Okay, don't touch the mic.
Get your mouth close to it, but don't actually touch it.
Mic check.
Oh shit, I passed an eval on Lucid.
Nice.
I forgot about that.
Oh yeah, you said that yesterday.
Yeah, I totally forgot about it. So let me agree to the terms and conditions. Submit. There we go. Look at it go. Look at it go. And done.
Two and a bit minutes here till the open. Where is, I gotta set my midnight open price. I haven't done that yet. So ES has midnight open price below, and NQ is below the midnight open price. So if that doesn't say anything about what the price is like from the two indices,
yeah,
I don't know what does. So if Zach's idea is something that would work, it would be taking a short down to the midnight open price.
Hey, Dave, Lucid Pro accounts don't have a consistency rule, do they?
Yes,
Or do
those
they?
ones do. Yes.
All right, so I'm going to put a take profit on
40%.
these. All right, cool. Then I'll just put $3,000 for my take profit.
What size is that?
25K.
Wow. Three, 6, 9. You're shooting for 9K?
Before I take a payout, yeah.
Nice.
I want to make sure I have a lot of, I don't need to take a payout from this immediately. So I want to have at least a 5K buffer before I even touch it.
That's the bell, guys. Get your view.
Ding, ding. All right, homies, what do we got here?
Home slices. Don't let Nick pick up the check. Coming out bullish. Of course, Dow's looking bearish. ES looking bullish. NQ mixed. Oh, I really wanted to loan that. This damn 15-minute rule. Joanne, another 500 on silver? That was not luck.
Wow.
Oh, geez, NQ's just ripping. About 80 points up already.
Nice. So I did take a long there, and I hit my take profit on all of my accounts except for 2.
All right.
I had my take profit just set at $100. Nothing crazy.
I'm actually in a long too. Trailing it up here. Stuffed out. All right, 66 bucks. Nice. So that TOF funded account is now up $53.
Nice.
Yeah, NQ is looking way too strong there to not get in on this candle. And I was planning to trade ES this morning.
Well, I'm trading ES this morning for you. So trying to be a little bit consistent with the ticker symbols that I'm trading.
I said it wasn't luck because earlier I entered a trade by accident, and within 30 seconds I was up 500. So what? You made $1,000 on one accidental trade and one real trade today? God, that's some good problems. Good problems. Well, first 5-minute candle done. It's purely bullish, straight up. 455 to 555, 100-point ripper. Nice job, Joanne. Congrats. So you got to get some luck sometimes, right? Jeez, just bouncing here again. Oh, getting a little bit of resistance there at the 60s. Okay, I'm done. I longed it right at the open, 460 to 540. Only one mini. Only one mini. Nice job, Angia.
Angie is over here talking shit, making us all look bad.
How did you get in at 460? You savage trader, you. You just saw it dipping, so you're like, this is a great entry? Because it's like you almost bottom ticked it by 7 points.
All right. Well, this is going to be a fun day today.
Yeah.
Activated my my Lucid 25K. Yep. That's the one that I won on what's it called? Prop Burn Match.
Nice. I screwed that one up. Actually, I lost that account. I was only 400 away from passing it, and I took 3 relatively large losses in a row.
Oh.
And yeah, I would say I tilted a little bit on that one because the third trade I oversized and then went against me and hit the max loss. It's $1,000 with 3 micro trades can happen pretty fast in 3 trades.
Oh yeah.
So I really got to try to stick with like 1 micro on those guys. There's not enough drawdown.
So ES is definitely looking a wee bit bullish today.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, NQ's just ripping too here. I took a little scalpy scalp there on the ES, up 37 in my 5 TPT accounts. Looks like it's going for those orders at 7,500, which is also all-time highs.
I am currently in an ES long. Think I'm down a couple bucks right now, but I'm going to hold on to it for a few.
This is a good one, this song. I'm going to have to make a reggae song too. Yeah, don't FOMO. Right, Angia? Solid advice coming from Angia.
Angia's always coming in with the solid advice.
Hey, ETX Yard Solution, good morning.
Morning, Tex.
Literally. Oh my god. What happened? It's got to be the wire, I think. Canada dealers, right? Or
So get your new microphone, tear that one apart, learn something about the internals of a microphone.
Inspection.
Get some electrical contact cleaner, and have a little fun. So after my add-in, I'm pretty much at break even right now. I added in at, I think, exactly the wrong time. But I do have a pretty tight stop loss sitting here, so
Yeah, it seems I can hear a little bit of feedback from my mic, I think. Mic check?
We hear you. Loud and clear, good buddy.
Really? How's that?
So are we going to make another all-time high here within the next 5 minutes? Is this what I'm seeing happening?
Looking like it. Now I'm really feeling the FOMO. NQ, man. Just rip. Yeah, US made a new all-time high. NQ isn't quite there yet. And Dow's look bearish. All I hear is feedback from this mic. I'm not even moving it, and it's like making feedback noises.
All right, just going through all my accounts right now, making sure I don't have any open orders. And it's all looking pretty good.
And yes, I should have held my trade. Yeah. It's always like that, isn't it? I mean, be happy with what you got. I mean, it sounds like you need a number of hundreds of dollars there. So,
yeah, it looks like you're doing pretty good.
But yeah.
All right. Angie and Johan have been killing it this morning.
Damn.
All right, I'm gonna go get myself some more coffee because I can't get into a long up here.
JPY suspended intervention. What is that? And then it shows that the US dollar dropped hard from I don't know, 158, 100 down to 157, 600. Girl power.
Yeah, right. I'll take some of that girl power right now. Angia, help your daddy out. That sounded creepy. I was actually referring to the adoption that went through the other day. That wasn't meant to sound creepy, but it did, and I'm sorry. I think Angia said she's like, what, 61 or something? So this is the weirdest adoption ever.
I love you, Dad. Now you got to do is get her to move over to Costa Rica so she can be with Dad.
I'm a very protective father. You're not dating until you're married. And wait a minute, that's not how that works.
I'm like, how do you get married if you're not even dating? Just
I'll
arranged
arrange. I will arrange that shit. No dating until marriage, and
Johan just got another 300 on a new account. Jesus.
damn, Johan, you are killing it today.
Wow.
All right, I got to step out for a second. I don't want to FOMO into a trade.
About the opening range high here on ES.
You're not wrong, Angia. Killing it. We made 10K in the morning. Jeez. Think you should take my place over here. Table, when are you getting married?
Need to find a suitable marriage partner first.
Well, apparently I'm in the business of arranging marriages, so I'll start looking for you.
Well, I might regret this buying at the opening range high here.
On NQ or ES?
ES.
There's a little bit of pullback, but still looking bullish.
Yeah. It's just that we know what happens usually with opening range high first breaks. So I
don't take the first break.
Oh shit! There we go.
And there's why. Came all the way back down to what? VWAP?
VWAP. Yeah.
So shit. Sorry, Dave.
Come on, Bulls. Come back.
Johan's going to come visit British Columbia. Do it in the
nice.
summer. Do it in the summer. Oh, wait. Johan's from Canada. Never mind.
Yeah, she's used to
I forgot she's from Quebec. Montreal, maybe? Is that correct?
Come on, ES. Don't do this to me. Don't do it to me. I'm looking to get out break even here if we can. Some risk management. And Q's pulling back quite a bit here too.
Yeah, I'm going to let this shake out a little bit. Quebec City. All right. I mean, I wasn't too far off. All right, Doc. I'll be right back.
Okay. We have a couple orders up at 503 and 505 area. Hopefully we can get back up to the top of the range here. Had a big sell ball pop in on there on the book map. 225 contracts at 74.97. Damn it. I think I gotta cut this one. Close below the VWAP here. Shoot. Not looking good, guys. Damn it. Come on, Bulls. Get us back up there. I'll look to see if I can't get a break even here. I need to take the view up here again, though. Having trouble getting through the VWAP now. There we go. Starting to take it. Just a little more pop here, guys. Let's go. Shoot. Not looking good for the Bears, I feel, or the Bulls at the moment, I think. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Dave, what the heck are you doing? Sorry. You in a trade right now?
Yeah, I'm down $50. Looking to try to get out here if I can get, or try to get in a break even at least. I don't know. We'll see. I might need to cut this thing. We're below the VWAP now. Damn. Come on, ES. NQ's being pretty bearish at the moment too, so damn it. Now I'm down 120. What do you think? Should I cut this guy below the VWAP?
This is the first actual break of VWAP. Are you in with a lot of size?
4 micros.
So enough size. Oh, you.
220 now. Damn it. Yeah, it's not looking good. That $50 loss is looking pretty good right about now. Hopefully we can get back above the VWAP in this candle here. And my mic is screwed up again. I want to take the VWAP. Nice recovery so far, although we don't have a ton of volume yet.
So I'm in, I am currently in a long. Added into it twice on micros.
Me about the 96 again here. Come on. Might put myself at 96 here if we start ripping up a bit. Just guarantee about a $60 loser. That will be up here again. Come on, boys, let's go.
Keep moving up here. Davey needs a new pair of shoes.
I would really like to break. Awesome.
All right, we need Angie to go take a shower now. So what's
Your time, Angie. Let's see it.
come on, Angie. Take a shower so we can make some money.
You're almost there. A couple more points. 3 points all I need. Come on, one more. One more.
Oh, come on.
I exited. It's probably going to continue that, but risk management. So
Risk management's definitely a good thing.
Lost my morning and I'm down 875 now, so a lot better than it was like 200 at the lowest point. Yeah.
It's a way to make a comeback.
Call that a $200 winner in my opinion. I just want this to end up being a lower high.
Oh, gotcha.
I'm not going to clean my glasses so I don't have to take a trade.
What was that, Dave? Your mic is screwy.
Of course, I touched my mic again.
Sound like a Peanuts parent again.
Love that cartoon.
Rip up for me.
Yeah, no Libs the Bull party was opening bell.
I am currently down $115 per account.
I got back in on one micro here. Have to keep up here. And you guys can't hear me, can you?
Can kind of hear you. I heard something about in at 1 micro. Was that correct?
Yes, in 1 micro. Orders above 775.02.75.05.
All right, I'm only down 85 now. Oh, no. Back to 95.
Candle dealer made another 50, made 750 total today. Having a good day, guys. Nice job.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Having a better day than I am, I tell you what.
Until this candle flips bullish here.
Oh, it's going to. It's going to flip bullish, and today we're going to retire on 8 micros.
Come on. Almost need to make a break even +1 for it. So +2 it seems like get it in there.
With my add-ins, I'm at break even plus a couple ticks.
Yeah, put a stop in there. 1 point into break. $7,500 is going to be a key level to break here. Sorry about the mic, guys.
Come on, get above 7,500 for me. And stay up there. And stay up.
Get your butt moving.
Oh, look at that. I just needed to ask.
There you go, there. Orb just hit it. There. Yeah, Jerry, it's reggae, Costa Rican reggae music.
There we go.
I'm shooting 75.10. Hopefully, we can get there. First win on the session on ES. Took partial, no waiting for breakout. Need to get through that deviation band. 75.0250-ish.
Currently have 16 contracts on this. Hit my break even. Watching the tape more than anything right now. I took 8 out of that.
Just don't pull back here, please. I added one. I got my stop at 7,500 now. .75. Come on, bolts. Take that deviation band here. Nice, nice.
There we go.
Come on, Randy B. Where you at? Let's get it. Lots of orders above 75.05, 75.06, 75.10 on the upside. Come on. Rip them. Grip it and rip it. There we go. Yep. I'm gonna stop up here. 75.0275.
Ooh, boy. This is an exciting day. It's actually getting boring watching these all-time highs get hit every single day.
Over and over and over.
It's just, oh, God. So tired of these all-time highs.
Boring making money.
Yeah, right?
I'm taking off half here.
Yeah, I just took 8 of mine out.
And break even +2 on the remaining contract here. Thinking about putting my stop up there. Yeah, I'm going to put my stop at 7. I'm out. I'm out.
Ah, damn.
So back up to 66.50 in that account. Nice.
Gonna go through here and make sure I got all of my positions. No, or I don't have any more open positions.
Yeah, mine are all good.
All right. So here's something funny for you. I'm not sure how the hell this happened. My cash accounts, I got $280. My new Apex account, I got 230. My Lucid account, that 25K that I just activated today, I got 422.
Whoa.
My Take Profit Trader accounts have 352 on one of them, 352, and okay, those are all 352. My top 1 futures, 337, 285, 293,
Whoa.
291, 285, and 280.50.
Different fills on the ads, obviously, that like delay, right?
Yeah, I don't know what the hell is going on with that, but there is. But my Lucid account being up 422, I don't understand how the hell that happened.
Yeah. My dad getting lost in green.
Oh, that's how it happened. All right, so Dave, you specifically, and anyone else listening that is planning on using Traders Post, when you set up your account, you can set it up with a trailing stop loss. And on that Lucid account, instead of hitting the P&L, I had a trailing stop loss, and I was following it up by 5 points. So every time I added in, the trailing stop loss would follow it up 5 points. It would take it out, and then with my add-ins, I just kept putting more onto it. So wow.
So you took a number of winning trades.
I took, let me get back to my dashboard here. Lucid.
So what do you, instead of a cash amount, sorry, what was it? Is that for the stop or something?
Yeah, it was a 5 point trailing stop loss that was on it.
That's like built in, like you added it through your strategy.
Through the, yeah.
Whatever.
So I took 1, 2, 3, 4. With all those trades that were supposed to be add-ins. So as I was adding in, it was bringing up my my stop loss, or adding another trailing stop loss to it. So it was literally, as it was pulling back, it was taking profits on 5 contracts or 4 contracts at the time.
Wow.
So if it pulled back, it would take
it was still in profit, but it would take some of those profits. I'd add in again, and it would take more profits. And it just kept doing that over and over again.
Huh.
So that was fun.
Cool. More good problems.
Yeah, I mean, a happy mistake.
The Hawk Flies, hey guys, nice reggae. I wonder who made that song.
The
Hawk?
Some weirdo.
Let's see.
Darren made 88 per account. It's like everybody's still green on the, or is green on the day.
Yeah. ES sitting on the top of the opening range high right now. And NQ is inside the opening range high, but still above the VWAPs. Are you still there, Nick?
I am.
Okay.
Sorry, I was sitting still trying to fix my damn trading view. We can't say it enough, guys. It's really great to trade with you. We really appreciate you, and I'm speaking for everyone who comes here regularly. Oh, thank you.
Thanks, Joanne. Morning, Dad.
Your dad's rolling around just giving everybody likes.
Yes, sir.
Oh shit, the Hawk Flies is frozen in a trade.
Uh-oh.
If it's on Tradeovate, you can use your phone and go to the Tradeovate app, and there's a cancel all button under trades, and you'll go to trades, open order, cancel all. So make sure you have that on your telephone, your smartphone, electronic device.
And you can also download the Tradeovate app if you don't have that on your phone too. It's always a good backup if you're using that platform. I got to get to my first coffee there, Darren. I got to finish this water first. Rules are rules.
Rules is rules. So looking at the K contract on HE, we're down to $90.70.
Initial balance cassette. And what's HE?
HE is lean hogs.
Oh, look out. Look out, hogs.
HE is lean hogs. LE is live cattle. Yeah. Hogs are still trading on the May contract, and cattle's trading on the June.
You wonder if copper is a good trade now that we're building all those data centers?
Copper is a lot easier to trade than gold, silver, and platinum, in my opinion.
Yeah, I remember you were making some good trades on that for a little bit there, anyways.
Yeah, when gold and silver were all getting stupid, I started trading copper. Not to be contrarian, just because I didn't want to get smoked on a silver trade. I made a couple of really good silver trades and then took a step back, looked at the price action, and went, I'm going to get eaten alive in this market. So ended up looking at gold contracts, had the same thought about that, knew that I don't have enough money to play in that pool. So ended up switching over to copper contracts, and a lot more stable, much easier to read the moves on it. Yes, with the data centers and all the stuff going up, copper has had a bit of a lift over, I mean, shit, let me pull this up here. Yeah, looking at the monthlies on copper, had a pretty big drop in July of 2025. But since August, it's been pretty much straight up. There was a little bit of a hiccup in March where it did pull down pretty drastically, which I honestly think that was just a buying opportunity for swing traders. And now it's back up at $6.60. And the low of 2025 was $4. So I do like copper trades. I like copper for swing trades, actually. They're
What's the contract pricing like on that? Is there
hold on, I don't remember exactly what the contract prices are. I'll pull up the CME. Yeah, log in my profile.
We got a couple new people that came into the Discord at like 4 a.m.
4 a.m.
Yeah.
Were you still streaming then?
Nope.
Oh, okay. I was saying, no wonder you were late this morning. No, you weren't late. So the tick value is 1250.
Gotcha.
So you got $250 per point. So for every 10 cents it moves up, you make, or it moves up or down, you make or lose 2,500. And for every dollar, it's 25,000.
Oh.
I'll be right back.
Well, I tried to take too long on NQ. I got break evens on both of them, unfortunately. 250 and 250. Although we're pushing higher, we're pretty volatile. May 14th. This NQ, man. Damn it. Two long entries there. I was definitely right. Just put the stop in there too early. NQ trying to get closer to 30K so NVIDIA reports can break it. When does NVIDIA report? Can't really buy it now. On the 20th? Hey, Nick, is it next Thursday that you're with Abby?
I think Tuesday.
Okay. She asked me about Thursday just this morning.
Oh, nice.
So in that case, I will probably go over there on Tuesday. It's my first
Cool.
time ever being a guest on a different show.
No shit. All right. Well, you're getting famous. Still don't know why the hell they're putting me on there.
I do the same thing on NQ. What has everyone found as the best NQ stop?
Generally with NQ, I put a 40 or 60 point trailing or stop loss on it.
That's a big stop. Yeah. I think a lot of people recommend at least 30-ish. I should probably be doing that too, but I've just been so conservative lately. I've been just trying to, once it starts going like 5, 6 points, 7 points, 10 points in favor, I'll usually put my stop break even, but it still has that chance to just achoo, back down.
Yep. I've just noticed anytime I have less than a 40 point stop loss on NQ, I get smoked.
Well, I really want a long NQ here, but we're kind of just made a new high there, but we do have orders above 29,700 and just below that some more. But it's where do we get in up here, right? That's the hard part.
That is the question.
Got a little bit of resistance on the second deviation band there. Maybe we enter on the first deviation if there's a pullback. It's an E8 markets, hey? Is that the same thing she said to you?
Yeah.
So is she trading for them now? Like,
yes, she's apparently they've been trying to recruit her to get the fuck happened?
uh-oh.
Oh shit, I'm in a copper contract. Not where I wanted to be.
Oh.
Well, at least it's going in my direction.
Okay, well, that's not a bad thing, I guess. Come up with a plan real quick.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
I'm going to have to do some research on E8 markets then.
I haven't yet. I will, but I know they're listed on prop firm match, but that's about all I know right now. So we're creating more all-time highs. trying to wait for a pullback on ES, but I'm not thinking it's going to happen today. Well, at least not while I'm trading.
$75.30, eh? I should have held that, eh? I was talking about 75.10. We blew right through that.
Got 150 orders at 75.20. Wow. Okay, we just made a new all-time high. There's got to be a pullback at some point here.
Right? Or
Give me
is
a
it-
reason to. I mean, I just derp. Looking at the
Joanne.
15-minute chart, this is like a skyscraper, just straight up.
Yeah. Joanne says, love you guys. I'm done for the day and run as far as I can with my money. LOL. Have a nice one.
Hey,
Have a good
enjoy it. Go buy yourself something pretty. Better yet, buy me something pretty.
Is she just starting like next week or something? Because I was just
Yeah.
looking at their live videos and I don't see anything with her yet.
Yeah, she's just starting off with them. She's looking for people to come on the live stream with her.
Gotcha. Yeah. Because they have their last live stream was 3 months ago.
Yeah, they're trying to apparently they're trying to up their marketing game a little bit. And having Abby on is probably a good choice for them.
Oh yeah.
She's personable, she's a decent trader, she's got, a pretty big social media following, so it doesn't help that she's a woman too, because that's like all the traders out there. It's a bunch of dudes who, frankly, I mean, we're all a bunch of douchebags. That's what it boils down to. And I think a lot of women who are into trading want to see other women trading. They don't want to listen to a bunch of guys because they're already sick of them, catcalling them and talking down to them.
Yeah.
Like we do with Angia and Johan and Klee and, well, everybody.
Yeah.
No. At least I hope not. That is definitely not my intention. Okay, here's another all-time high. What the literal shit is going on
I'm
here?
long on NQ right now. Come on, don't pull back here. Keep going, NQ. Added to that. Just don't pull back here. Just keep going a little more. Stopped out mine. Tiny win. When I added in and then I went to break even, it made my average price a little too tight.
A little much.
Gotta be careful though if I'm gonna take a all-time high trade here. Gotta be pretty tight.
You gotta keep it tight. We're at all-time highs, and the pullbacks could be horrific. What are you putting in as a stop loss on your trades?
Usually, well, that one I didn't have a stop loss, but then as soon as we got into profit, I just put a stop in the money. It basically went straight into profit. So, Trader 007 NQ, hey, good morning. How are you doing?
Good morning. A little bit of a pullback here.
I'll be right back, sir.
Question of the day: is Dave going to feed his chickens? Jerry's waiting for the big short. Doubts it'll go back slowly. Joanne's going to get a steak. How I wish I could get a good steak. I am in with a total of 24 micros right now. Long. There are a whole bunch of orders up above us. Currently at break even. Just above break even. I think I'm up like 70 bucks. Got orders at 75.25. Think we might be able to hit that shortly. Got a mixed bag of buying and selling volume balls here. $75.20.25 is the current price, and oh nope, it's coming down a little. Get back up there. Tradevate did just fart out on me for just a second. Not sure what happened. My screen went blank for a second, so all right, we're showing some more buying volume balls coming up. A few more. There's another one. Not sure exactly what's going on here. I don't know why the price is not going up with all these volume balls. Starting to get some selling balls now. So maybe it'll have the opposite effect and it'll start going up. I'm currently down 100 bucks. Boo. Got a little green candle on the 1 minute chart. Back in the positive. Getting some more buying volume on the book map right now. 75.1925.
Was that the pullback? We got the pullback or what?
Did get a little pullback. I'm in with 24 micros right now.
Oh my god.
Just hit my break even.
Are you on ES?
Yeah, I'm on MES. Still got some buying volume balls coming up on the book map. Still orders up above, all the way up to 75.2750. I think I'm up about $300 right now. If my math is correct. It probably isn't. Probably up like $12.50. We got a new all-time high at 75.23. What are we going to do with it?
Not much of a pullback on ES though, okay?
Now, there wasn't much of a pullback, but I've been adding into this trade little by little. Still getting some buying volume balls on the book map here. Still have those orders up 75.25. Shit going all the way up to 27.
That was just ripping. Like usual.
Say the Dow was rip. Your mic's screwy again. Can barely hear you.
Damn it.
Oh, that's better. You say damn it, and that's what comes out. Clear. Crystal frickin' clear.
It's because I put my mouth right. And it's not working again. Let's move this mic around a bit.
Hey, there you go.
It's definitely the one. Whenever I move it around, it seems to like
Give you a little crackle.
yeah.
This be a push-up I'm looking for. Come on. Make another new all-time high for me. Please and thank you. More buying volume balls. Got mine set to a minimum of 40 contracts per ball.
And yeah, put in a song request.
Go right ahead and play DJ. I'm gonna sit here and manage this trade as well as humanly possible. A couple of more orders came on just above us again. 75.25. We got more orders up there. Could we get another ripper here? Think it'll happen, Dave?
Yep.
Seeing more orders coming on up above again. Little bit of
Some chop right now.
little bit of chop, but I'm looking at Bookmap. We got some selling volume balls coming on, but there's still orders piling up above us. Price 75.22.
I locked in about $40 there. $40 winner on ES or NQ, sorry.
Oh, here we go.
Closed it early.
Up at
Damn it.
23 right now. If it hits 25, I'm gonna take my profits and walk away happy, probably for the rest of the day.
NQ's looking like it's gonna make a new high here. Trying to, anyways.
ES is at 23.25, 23.50. Looks like it still wants to pull up a little bit. I say that and it comes back down. Not much, but a little bit. Coffee is done, dude.
Time to get a refill.
Back up to 75.23. Sitting there tickling that new all-time high.
Can this mic please get delivered like yesterday?
Yeah,
Please.
right? starting to get edgy about this trade again. I don't like it.
Yeah, I took another 2 micro long there, and I took a break even because I'm like, shit, man.
Yeah, I hit my break even on this, but I don't want it to go back to break even. I do want to see 75, 25. That would be a stellar day for me. It's just bouncing between 22 and 23 right now and irritating the crap out of me.
Yeah.
Get above 24, and all right, we're at all-time high. Let's go ahead and make another one. Thank you. Don't stop now. Don't stop on my account. Keep on going, ES.
Oh, I had a TP that just got edged. Come on. Take it out. Take it out. Go, go, go. Right there. You're right there. Come on, man. What are you doing? There we go. Took 2 off, 2 left, 2 runners left, or 1 runner left here. Took 1 off, 1 runner left. See if we can break this all-time highs.
All right, I just took 12 contracts off. I'm going to follow you here, Dave.
Come on, green right away. Green right away. Go, go, go. Yes, baby.
Oh, hell yeah. Keep going.
Yep. Go, go, go. Gonna put my stop below this candle here.
Oh, shit.
Come on.
Look at that. 75.26 just got hit. Oh, damn. There's a bunch of buying volume balls coming up. We just had 3 in a row.
Nice. I'm up 80 now in my 2 Lucid accounts. So added about 160 to the day's profit. I feel like my little wins are so piddly compared to what you're doing over there, but
I'm sorry, what was that, Dave?
I'm just saying I feel like my wins are so piddly and small compared to like what you're doing over there. I'm getting in with like two micros and making $20, and you're like making hundos after hundos.
That's just because I'm adding into my trades. There's no, and this ain't a competition.
Wins are wins. Rode that up, adding a few contracts, still pumping. Yeah, I know.
Yep, I am now out of all of my positions. Just making sure I got everything canceled here. Cancel all open orders. Cancel all take profits. All right.
So Alberta has been trying to. They had a referendum to separate from Canada because Ottawa's really not treating them well, and then the First Nations blocked it. First Nations blocked them because they don't want to lose the handouts from the Canadian Liberal government. So.
All right. So it looks like I got everything canceled in here. And wow.
Nice
All
job.
right. Today was a good day.
What day isn't a good day, Nick?
Days when I'm red. Actually, even those days turn out pretty good usually. I go to the beach, I hang out, eat some seafood. So all my days are good. I'm still breathing. I'm having a good day.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm looking at my green $464 and I'm like disappointed. What's wrong with me?
Why? Why in the shit would you be disappointed with a $400 Green Day?
You like Green Day?
No, I don't.
Me neither. I like having Green Days. I just don't like the band.
Yeah. Yeah. I wonder if they were traders. Yeah, Dave, you should never feel disappointed in a $400 winning day. That's insane.
It's just when I'm trading next to the guy who's making 20 grand in a day, it's like, what's $400? It's nothing.
No, that is definitely not nothing. That is it's $400. And if you think about it, yesterday, yeah, I made about 20 grand yesterday. So how many accounts was I trading? Your P&L is pretty similar to mine. I'm just trading more accounts. I'm just trading more accounts than you. That's it.
I don't have the balls to trade them all at once. So I split it up. So I'm trading the take profit traders together, the Lucids together, and then the single TOF on its own.
So I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I don't have the balls to trade all mine together either. I was only trading 13 accounts today. So
Gotcha.
So I'm trading less than a third of my accounts. Wow, ES is still going up.
Yeah, and
should have held that. Damn.
I stopped it out at the bottom of that freaking candle too, of course. Like I should have gave it a tiny bit more space. I mean, I can't complain on the month though. I'm up 7,000, almost 7,600 on the month here, and it's all green.
Yeah, your win rate is way better than mine. Your risk management is good. And honestly, the only thing that I think that I do that you don't, that makes my wins a little bit larger, is I take less wins, but I add into them. So like this one, I added 24 contracts into.
Wow.
Or I'm sorry, I didn't add 24. I ended up with a total of 24 contracts in there.
Yeah.
But that was all add-ins. So as I'm adding in, I'm hitting my break even, and I'm hitting my break even, and doing that over and over again until I end up at a point where I just don't feel comfortable adding any more into it. So it either goes against me and I break even, which happens more often than not, or like this one that just kept going in my favor.
Yeah. Yeah, so this month I have a 77.68% win rate, 2.13 profit factor, day win rate's 100%, and 0.61 average win loss. So my losses are slightly bigger. I got average $64 loser and an average $40 winner.
All right. So that sounds like a pretty good month to me. Actually, that sounds like a stellar month. You made $7,000 this month.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
Oh, thanks.
And considering you're only trading a few accounts at a time, I think your stats are actually all quite a bit better than mine. It's just the copy trading and my immense amount of break evens.
I think it's the one thing that you're definitely better is you're scaling in way better to your trades, whereas I'm just like going in with my one or two and I'm taking profits
and holding them for longer. Yeah, if I can scale into them, that's where I'm going to. I mean, if I can scale into a trade and it's in a trend going in my direction, I'm going to.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's really about it. I'm okay. Well, that's the one thing that was really, excuse me. So one thing that was really hard for me to get used to was taking, taking break evens over and over and over again. It's like, oh, I made another $30. Oh, I made $12.50. It just got for a while. It got really irritating, so I started taking profits just quickly, and then I realized that my P&L for the quarter was down.
Oh.
So I just stopped doing that and started adding into them. And I've got it down pretty well now. I'm still not great at it, but I have gotten a little bit better. I like doing it with micros because it's not quite as stressful. But there was one day I was doing that with minis and ended up with like 28 minis in total after the add-ins.
Wow.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
That's what people say when they are winning the competition. I don't know what that means. That is their land. Yeah, I mean, white people are real good at colonizing. They tried that with parts of Oregon to join Idaho.
In construction, a senior level executive makes about $400 a day. Yeah, that's true.
I mean, there you go.
Keep it in perspective.
And if you think about it this way, Dave, a senior level executive in construction makes about $400 a day. And I know guys that own construction companies, and they don't work 4 and 5 hour days.
Yeah, true. It's like 8-10.
So if you're looking at an hourly rate, you're making double that. Chris says, damn, y'all are my people. I don't like them either. Who don't you like?
I think it was about the natives. I didn't say I don't like them, but they have a lot of power in Canada. That's all. Like they're trying to claim a bunch of land and stuff, and it's just unfortunate because fee simple properties are are under attack basically by them. So people are losing their properties, or not necessarily losing their properties, but there's so much uncertainty behind their properties now. They're having trouble getting refinanced for their mortgages, and big deals have been leaving the areas that these conflicts are happening. So nothing against the actual people. I'm actually a Métis, so can't really say I don't like Native Americans or Native Indians.
Thank you, 60-hour no libs.
Yeah, thank you. You used to work 14 hours a day in construction as a general contractor. 12 hours was the average. Yeah, I totally get that.
Yep. Angia says, if you say 400 is nothing, what about the people who cannot even make $100 a day? Yeah,
that's true. Just try to keep it in perspective. But like I said, it's when I'm trading live with a guy who keeps making 20 grand a day, it's like feels like $400 is very much, That's all.
How long have you been trading total? Options, stocks, crypto, forex, whatever.
Well, I started got introduced 2018 or 19 area. I don't remember exactly, somewhere.
All right.
Maybe towards the end of 18, 19. So I'm in a number of years now. Although I haven't really been a full-time trader. I had a few chunks of time where I was pretty active trading throughout that time, but not full-time anyways.
So I think I took my first stock trade in 1998.
Wow.
So actually, yeah, it was 1998.
So 28 years.
Yeah.
Wow. Definitely built up some tolerance.
I am new to futures. So this is honestly, this is the easiest trading I've ever done. Futures markets are hands down the easiest thing I've ever done, other than just buy and hold something.
Yeah.
But for day and swing trading,
well, I know penny stocks is freaking hard, so just stay away from that. Anybody, we're
God.
to the wisdom. Ross Cameron is an odd person.
Hey, I got one thing to say about Ross Cameron. Your pump and dump schemes and fucking scam artist piece of shit.
Yeah, you got to wonder if he's just like the person on YouTube and he's with a group of guys that create this type of stuff and get signals and everything, right, from them.
Well, once you have a large following of morons, you can do anything. You can pump a penny stock. You can pump it. You can dump it. You can collect cash from people for months on end in subscriptions for their bullshit trading education.
Scanners.
I mean, hell, you got enough fucking morons following you, you can become president. Okay? Bust out your tiki torches. Let's go to work.
I thought he had to pay out on some lawyer lawsuits or something a few years ago. I did hear that.
Yeah, it was a few years ago. He had to pay out, I think it was $3 million in refunds to people who started taking his courses after it was found out that he is a complete and total scam artist.
Really?
He went to, yeah. That's why I don't feel uncomfortable saying it, because I actually know this guy has been proven to be a scam artist.
Crazy.
There's certain people that you're like, okay, you've been called a scam artist, but there's been no proof. Like, that's really obvious proof. So
Yeah,
I keep my mouth shut about them.
I would say paying $3 million on a payout, something like that, is pretty damning proof.
Yeah, it's pretty conclusive when the courts are like, no, you definitely F these people out of a lot of money.
98, that's the time when tech started creating all the volatility prior to the 2000 blow off.
Yep.
One sec. Bathroom time.
Lone Wolf made 2 trades today. MES, I'm at plus 1.25 after commission and fees. Hey, at least it's positive. It's better than a red day. All right, I don't think I'm going to get into any more trades today. I'm going to try and control the FOMO as much as possible. We got ES in at 75.31 right now. There's still orders up at 75.37, 75.35. There's actually 1,075 orders up at, let me expand this so I can actually.
Are you looking at ES?
Number.
MES?
I am looking at ES. So there's 1,074 orders at 75.36. Looks like about 2/3 of them are algo orders. And we got 724 orders at 75.38. And it looks like about 80% of those are algos. So
You're looking at
either
MES?
that is.
Sorry?
I'm looking at ES
Okay.
on Bookmap.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay.
So that's telling me that somebody's taking profits up there. I can't imagine that any institutional traders are getting into a long position that far over VWAP. It seems absolutely insane to me. Now, that being said, I know precisely jack and shit about institutional trading, other than the fact that they like to buy at VWAP.
Lone Wolf calling it a day, just not in the right mind. Got to get ready for Panda scent work trials tomorrow. Hey, yeah. And, not every day it's whether or not the market is working good or not, it still comes down to how your mental capital is. So yesterday I was feeling a very similar way towards the end of the day. I was like, in the evening, I was taking some trades and I was like, what am I doing? Like, I don't have the mental capital right now. So I just closed it up and walked away. And that's what you got to do.
It's the best thing to do. If you're not feeling it, you're going to make poor decisions. You're going to FOMO into trades. You're not going to manage your risk well. You're not going to manage a trade well, and just in general. So
Yep.
Sometimes the best decision you can make is to keep out of the market and preserve your capital, which is where I'm sitting right now, because I can't. I mean, I could take a long on ES with a small size trade, but yowzers, it's sitting so damn high right now that I don't.
Well, on,
don't
on
really
the good
feel.
on a good note is they didn't ban my YouTube account or cancel it for a few days here because like those bots. I think we got in front of it by reporting it right away, right? So
I mean, it was pretty obvious that somebody got butthurt about you making money on the stream and just decided they were gonna fuck with you.
right.
I don't understand that. I just can't figure out why people are so goddamn mean.
I didn't really know how to respond when I first started reading the messages. I was like, I don't really understand what you're saying right now. Like, I'm confused as your question here.
Yeah, it was asinine questions. Give me the URL to the CME that shows that you're legitimately trading.
Yeah.
First off, I am not putting my accounts online for everybody and their uncle to see.
Yeah.
Absolutely not. Like, I'll show you a personal account, but you're not getting my account numbers or my CME login. It's not gonna happen.
So NQ had similar huge chunks of orders above at like 29,790, and they pulled it off. So there was like 500 NQs up there. And I just went back and look at ES just came off too. Those orders just came off.
Oh yeah. So maybe they were just trying to keep the price elevated for a little while there.
Let me
try to suck in some longs before they slap it lower. Well, we'll have to see here, but yeah.
Honestly, I'm not even going to make that call. We are in uncharted territory at this point. True. We've been in price discovery for more than 50% of the day today. So there's I got nothing for you at this point other than good luck. Right now, if you're going to go short, good luck. You're going to go long at all-time highs, good luck.
Good luck.
Because holy shit. I'm going to pull up a chart here real quick.
Looking forward to the next video. I always like seeing Panda's scent work. It's just so crazy how good dogs' noses are. They can just sniff anything out.
So I found something out about, I think it's basset hounds with the long ears. They use their ears to kick up scents from the ground.
Oh, really?
When they move their heads back and forth, their ears brush on the ground, and it actually kicks up scents, and it's easier for them to track things.
Interesting. Yep.
I don't know if that's actually true or not, but there is somebody here who could probably tell us.
Well, he just said yep after you said that, so I'm assuming he's agreeing with you.
Oh, cool. Thank you. So I didn't have the chat turned on.
I love the man pad. I think it looks so cool on the screen too.
I want a physical one. I literally want to be able to hold one in my hand and just
that'd be cool.
Big chunky ass buttons, feeling like a 1990s video game, just ka-chunk. Enter long.
And just have like a little scroll wheel on the side where you can adjust the price or something? Or do you have to have, maybe you have a little number pad on it too? Maybe that's kind of the way to go. Because that would be a little bit of a layer that you'd have to add to it, right? If it was a handheld one.
Yeah, I want it to be like one of those 1980s cell phones. Feels like a brick in your hand.
A Game
There's
Boy?
that big chunky ass buttons on it. Be awesome. Make me feel like a kid again.
Yeah, I was thinking about getting a Stream Deck as our maybe one day, just to, you know, then you can hotkey all the emotes or the like the sound effects and kind of stuff. You can switch cameras, everything. So
Oh, no shit.
yeah.
So it allows them to pick up much finer scents as well.
Oh yeah.
Scents other dogs might not pick up. All right. What is a Steam Deck?
Stream. It should be a Stream Deck, I think you meant to say. It's like it's just like a little hotkey thing that you have attached to your computer, and then you can like I said, you can you could attach buy and sell orders to it. You can attach anything you want to it, or switch cameras, sound effects, all that kind of stuff. Yeah.
All right. Stream Deck.
Randy has one. You can get it off used off Facebook pretty easily. Facebook Marketplace, there's lots of them on there.
Apparently there's an app for it too. Stream Deck software download, Stream Deck app, Stream Deck mobile. It's not what I'm looking for, but thanks for the info. So 113,597 for the Elgato Stream Deck.
Oh, that's probably one of those giant ones, right? Giant professional.
No. Oh, I'm sorry, colones, not dollars.
Oh,
that
okay.
comes out to about 250 bucks.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, they're about $200 depending on which model you get.
Yeah, this is
Either
showing
one.
me all this stuff in Costa Rican currency right now.
They take USD there though, don't they? If you had cash.
Yeah, just about everywhere.
Figured so. I usually convert my Canadian to USD before I head to Mexico, or so similar South America, right?
Yeah, most of Central America you can use USD.
You know, I actually found that I can get a pretty good exchange rate in Mexico rather than in Canada. I got a better exchange rate in Mexico.
Yeah, don't do it at the U.S.-Canadian border.
Oh, the airport sucks. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. If you're getting money exchange at the airport, you're an idiot. But even at the border, it's not good. Being from Detroit, I have spent a lot of time in Canada.
And exchanging it wasn't good?
Not at the border. They scalp you a couple of points every time you go into one of those places.
Yeah. ¿Ya aprendiste más español, Nick?
Poco español.
Yo hablo español un poquito.
So the weird thing about Spanish in Costa Rica is if you learn Spanish in the US anywhere, you're learning it to speak either to people in Spain or you're learning to speak to people in Mexico.
Yeah.
So you come to Costa Rica and you say thank you to somebody. The typical response is not de nada, it's con mucho gusto.
Okay.
So it's just like little differences. When you ask somebody in a store for something, you're literally saying, will you gift me whatever the item is? And it does not mean that you want to get it for free. But if you get used to saying that here and then go to any other Spanish speaking country, including Nicaragua or Panama, they look at you like, no, I'm not giving you anything for free. It's like, no, I'm going to pay for it.
Right. What? No, I can't get it free? What? How come?
Come on. I'm a nice guy. Gift it to me.
I don't know why, but I'm getting a lot of YouTube buffering today. Like the stream won't stay live, so.
Czar is locking out ES. Reached the expected targets for the day. Been a pleasure trading with you folks. Catch you tomorrow.
Bye-bye,
Yes,
Czar.
you will, sir.
Good day, brother.
Czar, you have a lovely day.
And Czar said that you've been trading longer than he is old. So I don't know how young Czar is. Are you pretty young?
Seriously?
Yeah. Wow. Nick, been at it longer. I have been born. So you're not even 28 years old, Czar? What the heck, man? Oh, we lost Nick now. Look at that. You made him.
Right. I had to scream and cry for a second there. Freaking children.
Isn't there something around 7 different variations of Spanish in the world?
I think there's more than that.
Born in 2000, Czar? Wow. You're a young guy. I did not know. I assumed by all the good trading that you do, I thought that you were a little bit older than that.
Damn.
Not to say that young guys can't be great traders, but you know what I mean?
But in all honesty, most of them aren't. They don't have the self-control.
True.
They don't have the
patience.
They don't have the patience, the self-control, or the screen time. Now, I'm not. Before anybody starts making stupid fucking comments, just get your hands off your keyboard. I said the same thing when I was on Prop Firm Match, and this 19-year-old kid just started running his yap, which just proved that he was 19 years old. What I'm saying is the vast majority of young people don't have the patience. They don't have the screen time. They don't have the self-control. But that being said, most of the old guys don't have the patience, don't have the self-control, and don't have the screen time. So,
yeah, it's pretty hard to, like, when you've been in like high school for years, you're focused on that, you're focused on friends, whatever. Where are these young people getting the time to, put in the time on the charts, right? So,
you know what? I mean, my son's 20, and they got a lot of free time.
True.
And most of them, I know with my kid, when I was talking to him last night, he's like, "Oh yeah, I woke up early for the first time in forever. I was up at 6 o'clock." I'm like, "That's not early. Come on."
Good luck, Czar. I hope it works out for you. Yeah.
Hoping to retire at 30, hustle and grind while I'm young, another 4 years to go. Hey, I don't think I'll ever actually fully retire. I would be so damn bored.
Retire as in not work a regular job, but just trade?
Jerry, you and me both. I wish I was Wait, I was trading at 26. I wish I was trading futures at 26. That would be, shit, none of you would ever see me again. Or would have ever seen me. I'd be living on my own private island somewhere. Actually, there is an island for sale here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I want to go take a look at it.
Right? Is there structures and stuff on it also?
Yeah, there's 2 homes. It's actually the main house. You're buying the entire island. It's the main house and I think 1 casita. You've got, of course, beach all the way around it, and there's farmland on it. Not much, I think like 2 hectares, and then the rest of it is just mountain and jungle.
Yeah.
If I had the extra cash, I would do that in a heartbeat.
Sounds pretty cool.
So if anybody wants to send me 2.5 million, just let me know. I'll give you my Venmo. And yes, it is a private island for 2.5 million.
That's pretty crazy.
Which is cheap as shit for your own private own private island.
So how do they get power there? Is it generators or something?
It's probably solar.
Solar with maybe generator backup, something. It would be good to have some sort of generator backup, something.
Yeah. Actually, solar batteries with a they actually make a solar panel thing here where you've got battery backup. So when the power goes out, the battery backup is so fast that you have 0 disruption in your electricity.
Yeah.
So I've been looking into that for a little while.
Patience
East
is a learned
Texas
trait.
says,
Yeah.
yeah, East Texas is saying he wants a private ranch, or he has a private ranch.
Oh, private islands have a bad rap these days.
Yeah, well, on this private island, you do anything stupid like the reason why there's such a bad rap with them, you will be buried on my island.
It
Actually,
looks kind of like NQ's pot getting ready here to pop. Looks like it's
yeah,
building.
ES is flattened out. Just for the last, 15 minutes. It's kind of lost a little bit of its momentum. Still up at all-time highs, but, just lost a little bit of momentum. Still orders 5 points above, but not in the thousands that it was. And I am, you know what? I'm locking myself out for the day.
You felt like jumping in along there, and you're like, no.
Yeah, the thought crossed my mind, and I went, yeah, you know what? No, just no. I'm using my handy dandy man pad, and confirmed, I'm out.
Oh, you can lock it from the man pad?
Yeah, if you look at the top of your man pad, you
yeah.
have a little thing up here that says lockout, or at least you should.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a lockout on yours?
Yes, it's a giant lockout button.
Oh, yeah. With like a private ranch, yeah.
I think I'm gonna make another break even button with a +1, just for.
I want to. So I would like to create a button that just moves my stop loss up by 2 points every time I press it.
Huh. Let's ask AI real quick about that. It's a JSON message, right? Or yes.
Yeah. You know what? I said yes. Now I'm doubting myself. I'm gonna go look. Yes. Signals. Yep, that's a JSON message.
I think the problem that it was saying before is it has to have a certain number, which it can't really pull that number for some reason. So, it says JSON action modify stop loss move by points 2. But here's the important part. Traders post implementations can vary depending on whether you are using webhook automation, command pad scripts, Tradevate connection, project X. Example, 1 point on NQ equals 4 ticks. Example, 2 points equals 8. So a more correct version may be JSON action modify stop loss move by ticks 8. Or some setups use command move stop offset 8. The tricky part is traders post command pad syntax is customizable depending on the integration script.
You know what? I think this evening I may be doing a little bit of a dive into that.
Do some paper trading and then see if you can
do a little bit of paper trading and see if I can get those buttons to be exactly how I want them. I mean, I'm doing pretty well with them so far, just as they are out of the box. I mean, I modified one of them for myself, but now I'll have a little bit of time tonight. Probably not going to be trading, so.
Yeah, and I would like a trailing stop hotkey also would be dope. Because we got a cancel trailing stop, but there's no create trailing stop. But I guess the way you do it is just by hitting the D and then go order type trailing stop and then
or you can go directly under the D to where it says TSL.
Yeah.
Now type 10 into that.
Yeah.
Should be a number underneath it that tells you what your loss would be if it hits your
40.
stop. So,
well, that's
10
contracts, but so $20.
There you go. So,
but that's
like
like
trailing.
That's when you put your order in though originally,
Yes.
right? So
Yeah.
yeah, I kind of want to like add it later. Like say you're in a trade and it's going well, so you go break even, and then it just starts ripping to the top side. Maybe you want to just hit another button to go trailing stop 5 points or 10 points, and
Oh, yeah.
automatically try to capture most of that big move up without
That'd be great for the New York Open, because I know some people are trading right when it opens, trading that first 5-minute candle, watching it go in either direction. That would be pretty good for that.
Yeah.
Or really good for that. Keep you from losing your shirt in under a few seconds.
Yeah, or just missing out on a lot of profits because we know how fast it moves, right? So
Yep.
it goes up 30 points and then pulls back 20 instantly, and then you're like, shoot, well, I left 20 points on the table there.
Yeah. I'm gonna go grab some more coffee, and then I think I'm gonna be done for the day. You in a trade right now?
No, I'm flat also. I'm not. I think I'm also gonna wrap it up here. Just try to be content with the day.
You should be. You did well. You did good, kid.
Oh, thank you.
All right. So on that note, I hope everyone today is green. And I hope everyone had a good time with us.
Yeah. This is a good stream.
Yeah, I ain't mad about it. What is going on here? There we go.
NQ trying to make a new high here.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna look at it. Don't try and tempt me. I'm out. Dave, you sticking around for a few minutes?
I'm also gonna wrap it up here. So
all right, then I will see you in the morning.
Sounds good.
Enjoy your. Are you streaming tonight?
Yes, it's Thursday, so I'll be back tonight.
All right, I may pop in and mess with you a little bit.
Sounds good. So you took a couple trades on Tuesday night, eh?
Yeah.
You said something about your green, so.
Yeah, I was already green for Wednesday when I took those trades on Tuesday night. I was like, all right, cool. I got a little buffer for Wednesday morning.
Nice, yeah.
I think I did like maybe 300 or 250 or something per account. So nice. I was pretty stoked about that. So I just managed to add that to the rest of Wednesday.
Chris says,
thanks, I like it here. Good. That's what we're aiming for. If you don't like it here, well, you're a moron and a communist, okay? And probably a pacifist as well. No, it's actually, yeah, that's a great compliment.
Good people.
60HR has some outdoor projects. Enjoy it. Get some sunshine.
Yeah. Well, I got to go deal with the chickens and the dogs and everything, so.
I'm going to have to go play with my pet iguana out there. Hopefully there's not another earthquake today.
Yeah.
All right, Dave. I will see you later. Everybody have a good one. Make good choices, and I'll see y'all later. Have fun streaming tonight.
Thanks. All right, guys. Hey, thanks a lot for hanging out. Glad we had a good day today. Got to be content. I got to remind myself to be content with the day. It's always easy to look on social media or people who are trading around you and seeing big numbers and being like, I need to make that, right? So try not to fall victim to that. I'm working on that also. So thanks a lot, everybody. Appreciate you guys being here. Gonna do my little shout out at the end of the day. Anja, Joanne, Czar, Tim, Chris, Lone Wolf, Jerry, Candle Dealer, Darren, Skeletor, Jeff, The Hawk Flies, Sharpie, Blackout News, Trader, 007 NQ, ETX Yard Solutions, and I think there was somebody else in Nick's channel, 60 Hour No Libs. Appreciate you guys being here. Thanks so much. And yeah, hopefully you guys are green. Also, have a great day. I'll be live. Oh, hey, Randall, how you doing? Just grinding up. Flat, did well, but waiting for a significant sell signal. Otherwise, not long in here. Yeah, exactly. And it's pretty hard to short it too, right? Because, yeah, like you're saying, wait for a good signal before you do it. So you got to be careful when we're at these all-time highs. Because usually when there's an all-time high, there's just another all-time high. So, but yeah, thanks guys. Appreciate you so much. See you guys later tonight, 7:30 p.m. my time. So 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. We will be live. So be there or be square. Thank you.
We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up on the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Yeah, Mr. Entry by tick, pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little base hits. 36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ switch stops and a rip quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase sides when we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. 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 Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong. While the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop deed and trades. Life advice meets with scalping plays. Someone so early, now the regret. Man, I should have held. Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. NQ 50 out, then it dips quick. In reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, and we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Yeah, just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits.
You guys have a good day. Bye. Peace out.